How to make birthday card using birthday card maker on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make birthday card using birthday card maker on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com, the official website of PicsArt. Once you reach the home page, make sure you are logged into it, and at the home page you'll see a magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen just ahead of your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it to enter this space. Now in this page you will see various options at the top of the screen. Here you will see design option. Now hover your cursor to that design option and you will see all the maker templates here. Here you will find birthday card maker just below card maker under event section. Click on it and you will reach to this page. Here click on make a birthday card at the left side of the screen. By clicking on it you will be entering the editing space. At the right side you will see all the templates. From here you can select the one you are interested in. Make sure you choose the one that doesn't require subscription. Once you have chosen it, click on it and bring it to your canvas. Now you can edit on it. At the right side you will see all the elements that are included in this template. Now click on each of them to edit them. You can also use this rewrite with AI tool to advance your text. Now after customizing your birthday card, you can download it to your device by clicking on this export option at the left top and click on that download to download it to your device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.